Hello, welcome to your Finnish lesson. There is so many topics that I feel like we need to go through, but today we're looking at pronouns. Yep. So there is some special things that we need to consider. But I'm gonna talk about them later. Or actually not. I'm gonna tell you right away. In a previous video I mentioned that there are different forms of words, and today we will be looking at nominative, objective, and genitive. These are the Finnish words which I'm probably going to use. These are forms of words that also exist in German. The funny thing is, in Finnish we have 12 more forms, but I guess these are the 3 most important ones, and I'm gonna be teaching you all of the pronouns in all of these 3 forms. So nominative, which means the basic form, like I, and then objective, which is like me, and genitive, which is like my. But it's a bit complicated. Anyway, the more complicated things are something you can think about later. So let's get started. I in Finnish is minä. Me is minua, and my is minun. Minä, minua, minun. Minä, minua, minun. Let's do examples. I'm only going to give you examples of the first one, and then you can use the same example with the others. So you could say, minä olen Ida. I am Ida. Minä olen Ida. Minua nähdessäsi. When you see me. Minua nähdessäsi. When you see me. And minun koirani. My dog. Minun koirani. Minun koirani. Okay, then you in Finnish is sinä. The objective form is sinua, and the genitive is sinun. Sinä, sinua, sinun. Sinä, sinua, sinun. Okay, he and she in Finnish is hän. Hän, häntä, hänen. Hän, häntä, hänen. That's he and she. We don't have different words, so you never need to worry about misgendering someone. Our pronouns are not gendered. And it in Finnish is se. Se, sitä, sen. Se, sitä, sen. It, and its. Se, sitä, sen. Some people use it, so se, of other humans. It's pretty common in spoken Finnish, calling humans it, so don't get offended if that happens. It's quite normal. But when you're speaking formally or to people who are much older than you, you should say hän when you're speaking of humans. Then we in Finnish is me. Meitä, meidän. Me, meitä, meidän. We, us, our. Me, meitä, meidän. Plural you is te, te, teitä, teidän. Te, teitä, teidän. And them or they in Finnish is he. He, heitä, heidän. They, he, heitä, heidän. The plural form of it would be ne, niitä, niiden. Ne, niitä, niiden. And again, many people in spoken language will use ne, niitä, niiden to speak of humans, but in formal context and written language, you should use he, heitä, heidän. Right, the same thing. That's all the pronouns. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I will do my best to answer all of them. And yeah, I hope you will have motivation even after hearing that we have these sijamuodot, so different forms of words, and there's 15 different forms, and it applies to nouns, pronouns, numbers, and adjectives. These forms apply. Yeah. Verbs have their own forms. But it shouldn't make you give up. Or maybe it should, but please, I believe in you. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Jos pidit tästä videosta, muistathan tykätä ja tilata. Kiitos. Hei hei. Hei hei.